Yes, my task today was to discuss four different studies encompassing a wide range of different topics. Phase 1 clinical trial testing new vaccine approach in combination with BTK inhibitors in the treatment of chronic lymphocytic leukemia in order to improve the death of lymphomas in this patient population in whom BTK inhibitors represent a cornerstone in the treatment of high-risk disease, but produce a low rate, as monotherapy, a low rate of complete remission and reverting the impairment, the T-cell function impairment often observed in chronic lymphocytic leukemia may be useful in produce a synergistic action together with a vaccine approach, the one tested in the study presented. Other investigations refer to molecular profile immunoprivileged lymphomas with new observation concerning these rare entities, mainly affecting extranodal lymphomas and providing new evidence of the proper classification and identification as specific disease entities. I mean in particular primary breast diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. Variety of different subjects encompass also a phase 2 clinical trial testing a combination target therapy, oral abrutinib, a Bruton kinase inhibitor, and obinutuzumab in the treatment of the newly diagnosed marginal zone B-cell lymphomas with interesting but preliminary analysis in terms of clinical activity, and large-scale investigation on the clinical impact of a clonal hematopoiesis in combination with monoclonal B-cell lymphocytosis, MBL, and the risk of subsequent development of lymphoid malignancies. Well, the most relevant advancement in the treatment of hematologic malignancies observed during the last decades refers to the large introduction in the clinical practice of targeted therapies and immunotherapies, B and T cell based immunotherapies. And this will change the perspective of the treatment of our patients towards more frequent chemotherapy-free strategies in treatment-naive and relapse-refractory disease. Well, in the last decades, our attention was focused in the identification of variables, factors affecting the chemoresistance, determining the resistance of patients with respect to the activity of chemotherapy, the main tool available for their treatment. Now we're moving toward immunotherapies, T-cell based immunotherapy, B-cell based immunotherapies, and all the biologic investigation should be oriented in the definition of immune resistance, in the identification of factors which can define the resistance of patients to the activity, anti-tumor activity of immune-based approaches.